Mahalsa Designer Doors is a unit which makes hand-carved wooden doors. All the items are made out of high-quality teak wood, and we specialize in custom-made doors. We are unique in the sense that we are probably the only unit in India who offers to make a door as per your size, your design, and your requirement. Our company is headed by Mr. R.H. Nayak, who is the founder. He's been in this line for more than 40 years. The total strength of our production unit is around 70 people, most of them being hand carvers, as all the items are carved by hand. As we make items out of wood, the scarcity of wood and its availability has been a major constraint for us to develop. However, we are now overcoming that using imported Burma teak. The second main problem we face is the shortage of labor. There is no person who is getting trained in the hand carving line today. Therefore, the number of people who are going to be available tomorrow are going to be limited. We have been progressing from a time where hand carved items were not accepted because they were too expensive, to a time today where people want the items but it is not available due to scarcity of labor. The best points in our journey over the last so many years has been when we see a totally completed building or a temple using our door, and we feel proud that we are featuring and being a part of it. The industry is heading more and more towards specialization, and we hope to be a part of it. And currently we are the market leader in the custom-made segment. We want to move on and to other lines which involve less labor and become the market leaders in them as well. Most of our clientele are non-resident Indians who are living in the States and UK, and the only way they could see our items is on the net. IndiaMart has facilitated this to a great extent. It is much cheaper, as in we don't need to send brochures, printed material. The IndiaMart also has got a call-free facility where they can call us and utilize the facility to talk to us without spending any money from their side. IndiaMart is one of the essential marketing tools entrepreneurs should use. More so because they give you a professional advice, and the website is not merely a website, it is a fully developed marketing mechanism. Apart from that, it is probably the most powerful tool for marketing in India today. The best compliment we would have got from a client is the Hindu temple of Bharati temple of Troy, when they recommended us to another temple in Woodland, saying that these are the people who could do a good job for you, and went out of their way to give us a recommendation.